Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Now, we will learn about adaptation of living things. This is a menu list. There is instruction, competence, material, and game. Instruction. Home, to return to the main menu. Play, to bring up menus. Next, to move to the next page. Previous, to move to the previous page. Exit, to get out of the learning media. Competence 3.3 Analyzing why living things adapt to the environment. 4.3 Presenting works on how living things adapt to their environment as a result of tracing various sources. Material. The material of adaptation of living things, they are meaning, aim, type, adaptation on animals, and adaptation on plants. Meaning. An adaptation is a characteristic of living things that helps it survive in its environment. An environment includes everything living and non-living in the area that a plant or animal lives in. All living things have adaptation. Aim. The purpose of adaptation are: first, to protect against enemies or predators. Second, to be able to get food. Third, for survival. Type of adaptation. Adaptation can be of the following types: structural, physiological, behavioral. Structural. These involve the physical features of an organism that help them to survive in the environment, including the different types of terrestrial habitat. The physical changes are related to the changes in the physical environment. Second, physiological. Like structural adaptation, the physiological adaptation also involves physical changes in the species. However, physiological adaptation are not always seen in the organism appearance. This type of adaptation can be either due to changes in the environment or due to behavior of other species. Third, behavioral. This is the change that affects the behavior of an organism. This could be caused due to changes in the surrounding environment or due to the action of other species. Okay, now we will learn adaptation on animals. Structural. An example of structural adaptation in animals can be seen in the shapes of dog's beak, the base of which is like a cone, so that it can help dogs filter food from water and mud. In addition, their eagle claws, they are short and sharp, in order to grip their prey when they are targeted while flying. Physiological. example of physiological adaptation in animals can be seen from squid, which have a dark black ink substance to trick their prey or as a tool to avoid predators. Third, behavioral. Example of behavioral adaptation in animal can be seen from several animals, such as desert rats, bear, or hedgehogs that hibernate when extreme winter arrives. In addition, there are pangolins that roll their bodies when touched to protect the thin skin on their stomach. Okay, now we will learn about adaptation on plants. Structural. An example of structural adaptation in plants can be seen in the shapes of the lotus leaf, which is thin and wide, so that it can float around its water habitat. In addition, the created lotus leaf can store water and has many stomata, so that the evaporation process can occur more quickly to avoid the decay process. Physiological. An example of physiological adaptation in plants can be seen from the corpse flower as an insectivorous plant that emits an unpleasant odor to lure insects as its prey. Behavioral. An example of behavioral adaptation in plants can be seen from thick trees dropping their leaves during the dry season to reduce the evaporation process. Okay, now we have learned adaptation on animals and on plants. Okay, now we will do a games. There is guessing game. To ledge lives on land. The base of the beak is like a comb. What am I? Is chicken or dog? What about chicken? Oh, it's wrong answer. Let's try again. So, it is a duck? Yeah, I'm a duck. The shapes of a duck beak is at the base like a comb, so it can help ducks filter food from water and mud. Okay, next. Okay, has tentacles, live in the sea, and have ink. What am I? Is that a jellyfish or squid? Squid? Yeah, I'm a squid. Squids have a dark black ink substance to trick their prey or as a tool to avoid predators. Okay, next. What about this? Has sharp claws, lives on land, hibernates in winter. What am I? Is this a bear or eagle? Eagle? Oh my god, wrong answer. Let's try again. So, is that a bear? Yeah, I'm a bear. Bears have striped clothes and usually hibernate when winter arrives. Okay, next game. What is this? It has white leaves to store water. Leaves in the water. What am I? Is it a lotus or a teak tree? Living in the water? We can choose a lotus. Yeah, I'm a lotus. Lotus leaves are thin and widened so that they can float around where they live, which is water, and can store water and have many stomata. Okay, next. What is this? Mengeluarkan bau tak sedap dan menjulang tinggi. Hidup di darat dan memakan serangga. What am I? Rafflesia or corpse flower? Choose Rafflesia? Oh, wrong answer. Let's try again. So it is corpse flower? Yeah, I'm a corpse flower. Corpse flower is an insectivorous plant that emits an unpleasant odor to lure insects astray with a towering shapes. Okay. Congratulations, student! You have learned about the adaptation of living things, especially animals and plants. Keep it up and keep learning, students. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.